Question 1. What is the core reason objects speed up or slow down? Answer options are: Option A, weather changes. Option B, forces acting on them. Option C, their color. Option D, their temperature. Correct option is option B, forces acting on them. Forces are what change motion. Question 2. What simple idea links force and motion? Answer options are: Option A, force creates change in motion. Option B, motion happens randomly. Option C, bigger objects cannot accelerate. Option D, forces stop all movement. Correct option is option A, force creates change in motion. Forces are what alter movement. Question 3. What happens first when a force acts on an object? Answer options are: Option A, the object changes color. Option B, the object instantly stops. Option C, the object begins to accelerate. Option D, the object becomes lighter. Correct option is option C, the object begins to accelerate. Acceleration starts when force acts. Question 4. Why does an object keep moving even after the push stops? Answer options are: Option A, balanced forces let it continue. Option B, motion needs constant pushing. Option C, air pulls it forward. Option D, gravity stops acting. Correct option is option A, balanced forces let it continue. With no unbalanced force, motion stays constant. Question 5. Why does learning motion matter in science? Answer options are: Option A, it helps predict how objects behave. Option B, it teaches only car mechanics. Option C, it explains plant colors. Option D, it is not used in real life. Correct option is option A, it helps predict how objects behave. Prediction makes science powerful. Question 6. How does motion appear in medicine? Answer options are: Option A, only in sleeping patterns. Option B, in how blood flows and muscles move. Option C, only in brain waves. Option D, only in X-ray images. Correct option is option B, in how blood flows and muscles move. Motion explains circulation and muscle function. Question 7. Why imagine an arrow on moving objects? Answer options are: Option A, to make objects look cool. Option B, to picture how speed changes. Option C, to measure weight. Option D, to color code objects. Correct option is option B, to picture how speed changes. Arrows help visualize direction and acceleration. Question 8. What does acceleration describe? Answer options are: Option A, shape change. Option B, speed change. Option C, color change. Option D, smell change. Correct option is option B, speed change. Acceleration means change in velocity. Question 9. If forces are balanced, what happens to motion? Answer options are: Option A, it becomes constant. Option B, it disappears instantly. Option C, it reverses direction. Option D, it makes objects heavier. Correct option is option A, it becomes constant. Balanced forces produce no acceleration. Question 10. Which word best describes a push or pull? Answer options are: Option A, friction. Option B, temperature. Option C, force. Option D, volume. Correct option is option C, force. A force is any push or pull. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.